In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a questionnaire on Google Forms in just 5 minutes. Whether you're conducting a survey, planning an event, or collecting feedback, Google Forms is a versatile, user-friendly tool that will help you gather the information you need efficiently. First things first, let's get you logged into Google. Open your preferred web browser and go to Google Sites. You'll see the option to sign in, click on it. You'll be prompted to type in your email address, followed by clicking Next. Then type in your password and finally click on Sign In. It's as simple as that to get into your Google account. Once you're signed in, it's time to head straight to your Google Forms. If it's your first time, or if you're not automatically taken to the Forms section, you can easily find it by navigating through the Google apps or by searching for Google Forms in your browser. Now let's get started on creating your questionnaire. Look for the option Go to your Google form. If you're starting from scratch, you'll be creating a new form. If you're editing an existing form, it will be listed there for you to select and edit. Found the plus sign or the phrase Add Question on your right. Click on that. This is where the real fun begins. You're going to type in your first question here. The type of question you ask can vary widely depending on what information you're trying to gather. It could be open-ended, multiple choice, or a simple yes/no. After typing your question, you'll notice a drop-down menu next to the question field. This drop-down allows you to select the type of answer you're looking for. Google Forms offers several options, including short answers, paragraphs, multiple choice, checkboxes, and more. This is where you customize how you want your respondents to answer your questions. For instance, if you're looking for a brief, concise response, clicking on short answer in the drop-down menu will be your best bet. This option limits answers to a few words, providing a straightforward way for participants to provide the information you're seeking. Remember, each question type serves a unique purpose. Using a variety of question types in your questionnaire can help you gather more comprehensive data. For example, multiple choice questions are excellent for when there are a limited number of possible answers, while open-ended questions are great for collecting more detailed responses. Creating a questionnaire on Google Forms is not only easy, but also incredibly versatile. You can edit questions, change answer types, and adjust your form's layout at any point. Plus, analyzing your results is a breeze with Google Forms' built-in tools, which automatically collect and present your data in an easy-to-read format. Thank you for joining me in this quick guide on how to create a questionnaire using Google Forms. With a bit of practice and exploration, you'll be creating engaging, effective questionnaires in no time. Remember, clear questions lead to clear answers, so take your time to craft your questionnaire thoughtfully. Happy surveying!